In today's video, we're going to show you a very basic step in belly dancing, the balance. The balance is a very simple waist movement performed with the feet parallel in an open stance, the same width as the hips, and moving the abdomen from one side to the other. Moving the hips from one side to the other seems very basic, but there are important factors to take into account. We are going to try to keep our navel level so that it is only the hips which move side to side, squeezing the external oblique muscles when we get to each side, helping to give us flexibility in the hips. It is very important we maintain our core strength and keep our pelvis level. If we raise our rear, we can carry our weight incorrectly and lead to injury. As you can see, it's very simple if we follow these steps from one side to the other. If you elevate your chest a little, you will find it much easier to separate movements. Keeping your steps controlled, you can move your arms and make different movements. We can also repeat movements on each side. 2 and 2, for example, or even go a little faster. Always prevent moving your chest. That's all for today. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.